Yo, we got the Samsung Galaxy S20 ULTRA. Oi, Willy Wonka. So we've got the Samsung Galaxy S20 ULTRA 5G in cosmic black, 128 gig. This is not even mine, but I just want to see if this thing will actually fit in my pocket, because this is absolutely humongous. So you know what's in the box if you've seen the previous videos. So yeah, pretty big, even for my liking, I gotta say. So cosmic black, it's very what's the word, black. So that's the Samsung Galaxy S20 ULTRA 5G. Bit of a mouthful, I gotta say. So if we bring in the regular Samsung Galaxy S20, that's a bit of a bump, isn't it? That's pretty big, I gotta say. So if we bring in now the Samsung Galaxy A51, so this is a 6.2 inch display, and if we now bring in a Google Pixel 4, so you can see exactly how big this thing is. It's humongous. And if we slide this across and bring in a Samsung Galaxy S10 here, that's a big boy right there. The S20 ULTRA 5G. And what's this? The Nokia 2.3. So let's get rid of these, bump these up a little bit. And you can see how big that is in comparison. That's a big boy right there. Look at that camera hump though. Space zoom 100x, Samsung Galaxy S20 5G ULTRA. Look at that big boy. That's exactly how the TV advert should have gone. It would have been far more hilarious. But you can see how big that camera hump is though. Definitely rocking around the Christmas tree on the table here. Doesn't sit flat at all. It's a very big phone, I've got to admit. Much bigger than the S10 Plus. As I say, definitely bigger than the regular S20 here. And if we put them screen to screen, you can see it's definitely thicker with that 5000 milliamp hour battery. And it's definitely taller here as well. And definitely wider. But as these phones get bigger, people don't seem to realise your pockets don't get bigger. Oi, Willy Wonka, let's see if this fits in my pockets. Okay, stop messing around. I've got 4 of the cameras, smartphones here, and I've got my work trousers on. So the pocket here, from here to the bottom, is about 4 inches deep. So we're going to begin with the Samsung Galaxy S20. So the regular one, 6.2 inch display. And you can see it fits in, but it's still, you can see it popping up from my pocket. So if it's sliding all the way in there and at a diagonal, you're still going to see bits of it popping up here. So if I now decide to go with the Pixel 4, for example, this fits in easily. Even if it's sliding around, it's still, you can't really see that it's popping up. So fits in very nicely. Now if we move to the Samsung Galaxy A51, now this is pretty big display. So in here, if the phone's along the inside here at an angle, no problem at all. But if it's sitting along straight up, you can see how much out the pocket it pops up, which is not really an issue. But if you're driving with that slanted position, it can just slide out because these backs are very slippery indeed. Now for the big boy, the S20 ULTRA 5G. So, so yeah, if you put that in, you can see it's hitting the bottom of the pocket here and how much extra it pops out. So if this could easily fall out your pocket if it wasn't at an angle. Even when it's at an angle, you can see that's all the way in there at the corner of the pocket. So if it were to go the other way, you can see the outline. It does look like you've literally got a brick inside your pocket. So yeah, it's a big boy. Just make sure you have deep pockets or the phone is slanted away from the outside. Otherwise, when you're driving, it's just gonna slant out like that. But let's turn around and you can see my bottom. So you can see along my back pocket here is completely able to take the S20 ULTRA. The A51 should be easy because it's smaller. And if we go Pixel again, it'll be easy because it's smaller. And again, the S20 regular 6.2 inch display here, easy peasy. But I can't do up the button. There's a button inside here and I can't do it up because that phone is in the way. So if I get now back to the Ultra 5G, so you can see just barely it is along the top here. I can't do the button whatsoever. So yeah, don't put this in your back pocket. Most likely slide out. Gooey! Kaboom! Jeans we've got this time. So I'm wearing a pair of, oh there you go, super dry jeans. So the pocket from the entrance up here down to the bottom is around 8 inches. So hopefully you can get all of that in here. So beginning with a Pixel 4, and these pockets are obviously a lot tighter entrance here, so not going to slip out as much. You can see the Pixel 4 completely goes in with a bit of space to spare, and no matter which way it's resting, sliding around in there, that's not going to go out. That's pretty cool. So regular Samsung Galaxy S20 goes in, no problems, resting inside with maybe an inch or so to spare in terms of the height of the pocket. Absolutely awesome. Now for the big boy, the Samsung Galaxy S20 ULTRA 5G. So big boy here, and yeah, see that fits in, not a problem. You can tell it's a big phone just by the imprint here, and it's just about inside the pocket. So this should be okay. And if it's at an angle, you're definitely going to notice that you've got a weapon in your pocket. So pretty big there, but still fits inside the pocket. Now, we know everybody likes to carry phones in their back pockets. Do they? I don't, but I know plenty of people that do. You see them all the time. Phones in their back pocket, not a good idea, but you see people doing it. So Pixel 4 fits in, no problem, just inside the pocket there. Regular Samsung Galaxy S20, again, just inside the pocket, but it's fairly loose. Obviously, I've got no backside. So the Samsung Galaxy S20 ULTRA 5G is a big boy, and yeah, you can see that. Look, not even, it's going to slip out easily, put it that way. It's popping outside the back pocket, and to be fair, if you're spending over £1,000 on a phone and you're putting it in your back pocket, someone could just easily lift it out, to be honest. So yeah, don't put your phones in the back pocket of your jeans.